This is really the close-up of this bird. We have this lovely bird. Please observe what he is doing. Flies coming back because he's really interested looking his face at the mirror. Yeah. So I want to zoom it so that we can observe what happens. Yeah. Now let's take a zoom and what this bird is really doing. Yeah. So actually he's banging the mirror. Yeah, right. I've been observing this bird for several days, so he comes in back. Probably he's thinking about another bird looking his face at the mirror. Right. Okay. The mirror. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. So this is really the close-up of this bird.